Make a great choice today with the 2019 I-PACE. The Jaguar I-PACE isn't just an electric vehicle. It's also a high-end luxury all-wheel drive compact SUV. Plenty of features, a stylish interior, and an exterior that allows it to stand out from the crowd, which makes the I-PACE a must-see and is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control, ventilated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.